Here you can find tools for 3C industry, that is tools for communications, consumer electronics and computers. Previously these industries were using carbide tools. Manar has converted these carbide tools into the PCD tools by using latest laser technology. This is Sagar Wadkar, working as a Vice President Operations in Manar Tools Pvt Ltd. So the Manar Tools established in 2011. So it has a big state-of-art manufacturing facility at Pune. We manufacture PCD tools, gun drills, indexables, and PCD inserts. You can visit us at hall number 4, stall number C51 to have a look for a better cutting tools that we have manufactured to improve customer efficiency. Thank you.